Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team for Lemon. Today we'll learn how to find the emails from Facebook. So for this purpose, I will use Google search and a Chrome extension for Lemon Catcher. You can find this extension from the Chrome Web Store. Install this extension first and type site colon facebook.com. Okay, I want the injury lawyers and from United States or only from London, and then write inverted comma at gmail.com. You can change this with at yahoo at co.uk, anything. Okay, let's check. Okay, here we have wrong spelling. Look, here you can find the email addresses. Just scroll down the page, click on the more results, and go to the end at the bottom of the page. Okay, now click on the extension, click start email collection. Here you can see I have the email addresses. And if you want to find an address, just type at yahoo.com or at yahoo.co.uk. So here it is. I'll just type at yahoo.com. Here you can see. Okay, let's remove this city. Okay, I think it is not working. Let's try with AOL.com. Here you can see it's fetching the AOL emails. So it's simple. You can try this string into the user Google search and fetch the email addresses from the Facebook directly. So tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.